Hi there, Bruce and Damon here with Sunbelt Marketing. Today we wanted to talk to you about the Chicago Flex Riser. It's a great alternative to the Analyst and compression risers that you also see out there. The great thing about this product is you don't need any fittings to install it. Everything you need comes right with this riser. It comes, every riser comes with installation instructions and even a ruler for the insertion depth. When you get the product, this swivel head body is going to come completely screwed down. This is a quality control process from the factory to make sure there's no cross threading. The other thing you're going to see inside the riser is this seal. Inside the seal, you'll see a metal grip ring. That metal ring is going to grab the yellow poly when you tighten this body onto this nut. To install the yellow poly into this riser, first confirm that the riser, in this case it's a 1-inch IPS, matches the yellow poly size. This is in case 1-inch IPS as well. To make sure this is installed properly, it needs to be inserted to the correct depth. To do that, you look at the instructions and it'll give you a chart. On that chart, it's going to reference a certain insertion depth. In this case, 1-inch has a 1-inch insertion depth. So to do that, you're going to take a ruler, either a tape measure or the one that comes with the product, and mark off, in this case, 1-inch. So per the manufacturer installation instructions, the witness mark needs to be 1/8 away from this nut here. So to insert the yellow poly into the riser, you're going to insert it through this black boot at the bottom. Just like so. That boot protects the poly from the weather. It's going to exit the top here, and from there you can see your mark here, in this case 1-inch. The next thing to do is insert or slide over this black seal and then insert the body swivel nut into here. So once you get it hand tight, you're going to want to put a set of wrenches on here to get a metal-to-metal contact here with these components. Another virtue of this product, it's got a zinc anodized head, so it's going to be rust resistant against the elements. If you have any questions regarding this product or anything else we have at Sunbelt, please just give us a call. Thank you.